leaders of Northern Uganda, like they need to come and they help Northern Uganda, like people. Tuinabana ku streets. Not everyone is meant to be on the streets. But what have they helped? MPs kubira, they don't even pick your calls. Omuntu omukubira nze waliwo minister gwe nakubidde yanonyeza nga yagala mukolera akalango ne mukubira. He had my voice after my name na Jackson nengamba katona afaki. Oshegera temuwa abantu budde era wa munozi temuwa abana budde just muri awo kubanga when things are like byemukola tetubiraba. We don't see, at least like our leaders even, at least we see what they do. But I want to know, like, you know, is I'm from Northern Uganda, I'll hit the nail on the head. There is nothing they have done. Oshtegera. Mo organizing ebintu like leaders which nemwitaba leaders. Ngawola we have organized something to tukuita. Mimi, you come and represent. Nebo tebachikola.